This video is a continuation of the processing a CSV file and checking the code format. We've shut down the field to finish process, but while the field to finish was ongoing, it went ahead and Carlson saved all those points in the folder. So the first thing we want to do before we start is just delete all those points. So we're going to go erase points. Then down at the bottom, it's one of the options is number. And if you hit the N, and then you can just simply type in all, and then delete all points, yes. Delete point symbols, yes. Delete from coordinate file, that's the main thing we want to do, yes. And then any associated test, yes. So now we're ready to modify and correct our CSV file. So we go to the folder where it's located. The first thing we want to do is copy it and then paste it and then change the name to maybe just simply modify it. Now, I normally do this in Excel because I'm more familiar with it and I think it's more intuitive, but not everybody has Excel. So we're going to do this in a program that comes with all PCs, which is Notepad. So we're going to right click it and open with, and then you may not have Notepad as an option, so you would choose another app. And Notepad should come up on your screen. If it doesn't, tell me, I'll show you how to find it, but it should pop up here as an option. And I'm just going to say just once. So here's that in Notepad. And we want to find the bad code. So planter rock was a problem. So you got planter rock 2. And I believe the problem is there should be 2 R's here. PNTRRROCK2. We just want to edit the part that's planter rock. We don't want to have to edit 2 and 3 and 4. So we're going to select just point rock and we're going to copy that bit. Then we're going to go back to the beginning, put our cursor there, and then we're going to edit and we're going to replace. So we're going to replace planter rock with PNTRROCK. So that should just replace that bit and leave the number. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace them all. So now if we scroll down, PNTRR2 is correct, PNR4. So we're going to assume they all did it for now. The other problem we had was the telephone pedestal. And I don't remember exactly what that code was for. Maybe it was tel pad. So I'm just going to look and see. Search. No, it's not there. Let me just search for tail. There it is, ped tail. I believe that's correct. I'm not exactly sure what that other code was, but you get the general idea. So for now, that's all done, and I'm going to file, save it, then I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to go back into Carlson. It's a little different this time because we already have the drawing set up. We don't want to start from scratch and do another drawing, so we're just going to import the points and then do the field to finish. So I'm going to go to points. I'm going to import a text ASCII file, and then I'm going to find that file that we just modified. I'm going to browse for that. And I saved it right here, and there it is right there. modified. So I want to open that. And there it is here. I'm going to select that. Then we're going to open. And then from here, it's going to store to the coordinate file, but this is going to simply import the ASCII file into Carlson. It won't let us do fill to finish at this point. So we're just going to say OK. So it read in 3,753 points, and it should draw them. And there's the points. But as you see, there's no line work, there's no labeling. This is simply the points and then the symbols we have set up associated with the point number, not the fill to finish file or the point description. So I want to do the fill to finish and get the line work in. So we're going to go to Survey, Draw Fill to Finish. We're going to do the split all multiple codes again. We're going to be in the same place we were before. And this time we're going to do the report and see which ones I missed. As you can see, we're down to 72 that I didn't take the time to find. And there's the problem. There's PEL, and that should be PED. If you save this or print it out, you should be able to get them all on one go. But at this point, I'm not going to go back through and recorrect it. I'm simply going to have a bunch of points that are not going to process. So now we go back to the fill to finish screen, and now it's just a matter of saying OK. And there's the file. And you can see this is what Jable starts working from. These circles, we're not sure what creates those. We're still working on that. The labeling is the best we can do with the fill to finish. But at this point, I'm just going to save this. And then you can close it and email Jable the corrected CSV file and this drawing file if you want. This is the end of the video.